Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are back and better than ever. Can I give you guys just a quick little update today? Was pretty rough. I blew an account, funding account, the one that I took 20, I think it was $2,000, 2,100 that I took a payout on. Blew that. Got definitely tilted, but got a couple other accounts that are on the way. Speaking of which, I need to check the status of them. 111. Did I? Hold on. Oh, okay, so this one for some reason 111 still has $600? Huh. I think 111 was one that I almost blew. I have no clue. Either way. I thought I had more drawdown on this one. I guess I don't. Oh, well, this might be the only account that I'm probably going to be trading tonight. I might touch some other ones. Maybe go touch some grass after this. Psych, it's too late. It's never too late. Let's see. This one should be able to pay out tomorrow. I'm trying to see what the status is on some of these accounts. Today was a pretty, I mean, if you just held short, you made some money. I got blown up trying to just long the market like a moron, going against the market. That's what I get. That's what I get, but hey, sometimes that's just how the cookie crumbles. And there's not much that you can do. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm looking at my other accounts. Oh, nice. Okay. So 100. 104. Okay. Wait, so that one's 95. I think that's one that is just should reset. How many days have I traded this? 2? 8? How many more days do I need? 1? Oh. Right, so that's 1. Let's look at 110. 0.5 days. Oh, I guess there's no trades on that. So 104 and 100. So that one's good. Look like the market's trying to go claim 30,400 again. But I'm not too keen on that just yet. Take a short there. The market just wants to absolutely tank. Sure, we'll take it. But let's see here. Right, so that one's 6 of 5 days, so 100 is good. What about 1 of 4? What's my biggest day? Oh, I need... Alright. I figured out what I needed to do. Oh shoot, was I up $200 at one point? Interesting. I'm gonna add one if it comes up here. Are we really just gonna rally from here? Yesterday though, we were just up and down, and the market decided that it finally wanted to just crash. I did a no-no too after I got into trading and turned the stream off. I found some good entries, so sorry guys. I just kept trading. I'm sorry. Don't hate me. Looking like they won it. It's a big move though. What a rally by the bulls. Oh, my VWAP is here. Hey. Look at that. My VWAP decided to show up. We got about $600 and $400 left. Not much on this. So if it goes up here, it's definitely going to blow this account. But we'll let it happen. There's not much life left in this account. So we're going for gold. One love. How's it going? Gold? To be honest, I've never traded gold. I've always just traded NASDAQ. I started out ES, but I just trade NASDAQ, to be honest. I've never traded gold. Maybe I should, but I know the spread on that is pretty crazy. But you know what? I think gold is GC, right? Are we on GCU? I think it is GCU. No? What contract are we on for gold? See, that just shows you. I've never... Gold A? Alright, what contract are we on in gold? I've never ever traded it before. Is it GCM? I thought we were... Because I know NASDAQ is U. Ugh. What is going on? Hold on. Let me adjust this. Probably not going to get this sell straight from here. So if the market comes down here, that would be great. But I'm probably going to blow this one. X? Is it GCX? Is that what we're on? No, that's not right. Doc. What? I've never traded it. You're gonna have to help me out here. I've only traded NASDAQ. That's all I trade. I've seen other people do gold. I know that gold and silver was hot a couple of months ago. Silver was super hot. It got banned, or it got... I guess it did get banned. A lot of platforms banned it. Let me search it up. What contract are we on for gold futures? Oh, GCQ. Oh. So it's not like... We're on GCQ. Ah, that looks better. Yo, gold is rallying? That's not good. It's following NASDAQ. Five minis. That's crazy, dude. I know the spread is insanely high on gold. That's also why I don't trade it too, just because, I mean, I guess NASDAQ is kind of the same because NASDAQ is like super whippy. But I've just never really traded gold. I'll trade it after. If I don't get taken out here, I can switch to it. That's just actually a Australian pound to US. You trade Forex too? Oh, X to AE, okay. I don't think we have it. This is futures, so. Ugh, what's going on? Are we gonna dump or are we gonna go up? It's not looking good for this trade, I'll tell you what. ES is trying to break out too to the upside, so a lot of strength right now for the bulls to try to rally up through here, but I'm gonna see if we can get the bears to come in through one more time. Break it down here. Very interesting though. This is gold, GCQ. Gold is pulling back. I think gold usually does the opposite of NASDAQ, if I'm not mistaken. Or am I thinking of something else? It's toying with me, come on. Let's get this drop back down to VWAP. Bulls are really trying to hold on right here. Need the bears to come through, break it below 60s, and flush right back to this 3-minute candle that has no bottom wick. What I don't want to see is I get taken out and then it comes down. So I want to see us just keep flushing right here, see if the bears can take control. Yeah, he is pulling back as well, so let's see if they have enough juice. Doesn't seem like it. $70.20, that would be nice. A little 20 point to the downside. Uh-oh. Looks like the bulls are coming through. Uh-oh. Come on, bears. Keep breaking it down. Break through 60s. Let's flush it. Back down to VWAP here. Come test this 50 level. Back down to VWAP. There's no wick here, so time to do the little wick test. Alright. And we're going straight back up. Straight reversal back to the upside. So now there's no wick in the 5-minute candle. And I mean, the 3-minute resembles it too. So we opened up, absolutely just yanked it right back up. Can we get this to be a little fake out? Get the Bears to pump it down one more time. Back down here to 50s. That's my TP down here. Just the bottom of this range, but I don't think, it doesn't seem like it's going to happen now. It all happened so quick. I didn't even have time to react. How much was I up? 300. I was also, I'm only about 300. Doesn't seem like the Bears wanted it that bad. I think they're going to break through now to the upside. This is not good for me, folks. I'm about to lose this. Yeah, Ace is breaking out. Man. How far was that? We opened up here, it's 56, so we were about like 6 points away. 6 points away. Can you guys believe it? 6 points away from TP and we don't get it. That's tough. But maybe it's because they wanted to film this. This one didn't have a wig. Alright, we're going to reverse back down here now. I wouldn't be mad. Sorry about the little flashbang right there. I'm just switching tabs. That's why it does that. But while we wait for this trade to play out, wait for it to pan out, if you haven't already subscribed, do not forget to do so. And if you are subscribed, do not forget to turn on the notification bell because I am doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. And there may be some, what do you call giveaways in between now and then. So you don't want to miss out. Yeah, we're going up. I'm definitely losing this account. There's only about $600 left on this account, so I'm not too stressed about it. So if it goes up past this, it should be blowing it soon. With power hindsight, man, I mean, you couldn't have predicted that. Straight down, straight up. Talk about a nasty just... I mean, that's 20 points. About to give or take 25 points. That's pretty solid if you ask me. But while we wait, we hydrate. Oh, we're gonna get triple reversal. Let's fall back down, Nasdaq. Cave it back down here to this wick. I mean, this no wick candle. So give a little another candle test, wick test. What if we just absolutely flush through to 45? That would be nice, but maybe I'm just dreaming. Let's check. Also, we do have FOMC tomorrow, folks, if you are watching. So, we should be getting some pretty good volatility tomorrow. I think we have Powell's not in there anymore, so... Thank you, pal. You've done. We have core retail sales an hour prior to market open, so that should move the market. And then, yo, President Trump is speaking at the market open. Tomorrow is gonna be tomorrow should be a big day, folks. Should be a big day tomorrow. Because we have core retail sales, President of the United States is speaking, and then we also have FOMC at a freaking. Oh, tomorrow's D-Day, folks. It's a gambling day tomorrow. That's what tomorrow is. So we should get volatility. Hopefully, we can get volatility during New York Open and then the afternoon session as well. Because normally the morning before FOMC has been kind of butt cheeks, but now that President Trump is speaking, you know what that means. Should get some good volatility. Alright, can you just go blow my account already and stop fizzling? If you're not gonna do that, just cave down, please. Just drop it below here. I wouldn't be mad if you just tanked. Absolutely, just butter nukes. Straight to the ground. Jump off the moon. Jump off the cliff. Jump off the cliff. Doesn't seem like we're gonna be getting it. You know, I've been wondering how in my last video I've held to trades for so long, but I remember now. It's because I traded Asia session. That's why I have such a long trade. I was like, man, when did I hold for 30 minutes during New York? But now that I'm looking at Asia, I'm like, oh, I remember now. The reason why I have like a 30-minute trade for my longest is because I traded Asia, and I was like, oh, I remember now. Because I traded Asia. Fun, folks. Alright, can we get this to fall this time? And don't reverse here. Actually fall through. Form a little wake there and then just continue falling down. I'm trying to combine words here. My brain just thinks too fast for my body to follow. Anybody else sometimes struggle with that? Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just crazy and weird like that. Who knows? Oh my goodness. So we're about to get a quadruple reversal? You gotta be kidding me. Now we have another wick. Another no wick candle. On a 3 minute. I mean, well, I guess technically we have one here too. Oh. This is why I hate trading Asia sometimes. Alright. Let's fall back down. Just keep caving back down to earth. Contest this VWAP bam one more time. But it doesn't seem like we're gonna be getting it, folks. ES ripping back to the top. I don't know what to do here at this point. I have no clue what's going on. I'm caught in the middle. And they say don't diddle in the middle. In the middle. Alright, this for sure is going to be the one that blows my account. Come on. You sell the top, buy low, sell high, right? I guess is what they say. Alright, if you can test the highs, you can test the lows. Am I right, folks? Alright, let's get a quintuple reversal. You came up, now straight back down. Tomorrow's gonna be a huge day tomorrow, though, so hope you folks are prepped for tomorrow. Tomorrow should be a good session. An all-day event. Big days tomorrow. I'm tired. My schedule's I do trade at my current JOB. Thankfully I don't slack off. I will say that. I'm a very hard worker, and I mean it. I'm not just saying that sarcastically. I do work hard. But when you're mentally focused on multiple things, sometimes can be a little bit tough. I will not lie. It can be mentally draining. Cause you gotta trade, you gotta focus on losing, and then you gotta focus on other stuff that's going on in the background. I'll be honest, I was not expecting to hold this for this long. I thought it was gonna be done already. I need this to do something very quick so I can log off. But I think we're finally gonna break to the upside. Are they gonna finally break out of this range? Ball's finally gonna get what they want. Jeez. $85 held it down pretty hard, but I think this is where the Bulls finally get what they want. They're trying to break this 90. I mean, they got 400s. I mean, above that, you got this whole mess up here, right? Start clearing some of these, you'll come out back up to level up here, but that's another 100 points. I don't know how doable that is. Not saying it's impossible, right? Anything's possible, especially when it comes to the trading. Right? You get ups, you get downs. Go around. Also, RIP Don Tolliver, man. There we go, finally. Folks, stay away from helicopters. Moving on up. But that is that. Well, I just wanted to come on and trade that. So I have some other accounts that I do need to activate. I don't know why this one is still here. It should not be there. But yeah. If you did tune in, appreciate you tuning in. If you are subscribed, do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the giveaway or any surprise giveaways. Other than that, we're calling it here, and we will see you on the next stream.